Okay, we have this question, f of x being equal to x negative 2 divided by 3x positive 1, we are expected to obtain f inverse of x. So now this can be rewritten as y being equal to x negative 2 divided by 3x positive 1. And now to obtain the f inverse of x, wherever I see y, I would be replacing it with an x, and wherever I see a x, I would be replacing it by a y. So this is clearly going to be x equal to y negative 2 divided by 3 times y positive 1. To complete the problem, we need to express this expression with y on the left and x on the right. That is the simplest way to define the inverse of a function, which is achieved by multiplying both sides by 3y positive 1 because of the presence of a denominator 3y positive 1. So hence I would be having x multiplied with 3y positive 1 equal to 3y positive 1 multiplied with y negative 2 divided by 3y positive 1. Clearly 3y positive 1, which we see here, can be cancelled, thereby giving us x multiplied with 3y positive 1 equal to y negative 2. Multiplying x with 3y would give us 3xy. Multiplying x with 1 would give us x, of course, with a positive sign, equal to y negative 2. Moving y to the left and x to the right would give us 3xy negative y equal to negative x negative 2. Because positive, when they move to the other side, the sign changes. Since y can be taken out as a common factor, that would leave us with 3x negative 1 equal to negative x negative 2. Now I can rewrite negative x negative 2 by taking a negative sign out. So that would give us negative of x positive 2. Of course, on the left it's going to be y times 3x negative 1. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to be dividing both sides by 3x negative 1. So that would give me y times 3x negative 1 divided by 3x negative 1 equal to negative of x positive 2 divided by 3x negative 1. Clearly the 3x negative 1, which we see here, can be cancelled, and that would give us y equal to negative of x positive 2 divided by 3x negative 1. We can either leave this to be as the solution, or we can proceed one step further by rewriting the denominator with the negative sign out. So if I'm going to be taking a negative sign out from the denominator, the positive 3x which we see would become negative 3x, and the negative 1 that you see would become positive 1. Please observe here, negative times negative 3x would give us positive 3x, and negative times positive 1 would give us negative 1. Now we have a negative sign in the numerator, negative sign in the denominator. They can be cancelled, thereby they would become positive. So therefore we have x positive 2 divided by negative 3x positive 1. We can rewrite it as 1 negative 3x equal to y. So the final solution, I am writing it here. So y equal to x positive 2 divided by 1 negative 3x, or we can rewrite it as f inverse of x being equal to x positive 2 divided by 1 negative 3x. So you need to practice these problems to attain more familiarity with these algorithms.